Morning. How are you guys doing today? I am just putting a few of my bags back in my car because I'm getting ready to head to Aldi's. Let me take you guys out of here. I'm getting ready to head to Aldi's to pick up a few food items, and also I want to look. Wow, that sun is bright. I'm off to Aldi's today to look for, I gotta pick up something for dinner tonight, and then I want to look to see, I've been seeing online how they have these Bath and Body Works dupes in the Christmas area, so I want to check those out, see what they have left, do like smell checks on them and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's about it. So let's go to Aldi's and see what we can find. So I'm home from Aldi's. I gotta put away my groceries. I just wanted to show you a few of the items though. I picked these up. This wasn't actually too bad of a deal. I think it was $5.99, and there's all these different flavors. I love doing like flavored coffees, so we have like I'm looking forward to trying that gingerbread, peppermint mocha, hot butter rum, chocolate drizzle. So I picked up 2 packs of those to enjoy. And then I also picked up this cute little pet sweater for Cosmo. And what else did I get? Ooh, I got these fudge mint cookies, and these kind of taste like the Girl Scout cookies, and these are really good. So I got these for a snack along with this lemon cake. So yeah, and then the rest. Oh, and I got these again. So this was another. So that was another repurchase too. That kettle corn. These bags are awesome. I got these bags from that 31 party where I also got my planner supply bag from. So I got 2 of these, and they're really nice and sturdy, and it just makes it handy to be able to, you know, bring your groceries in, and especially if you shop at Aldi's, you know, you have to bring your own bags to Aldi's. So I'm going to put away these groceries, and I will check back with you guys soon. So I just got through putting away all of my groceries. Update is the pet sweater did not fit Deuter's, so I have to return it and get him a small. He's not an extra small. I was looking at the sizing and the weight and stuff like that, and according to the package, he should be an extra small, but it did not fit him at all. Just made myself a coffee and put it inside of my Dunkin' Donuts cup, travel cup. That way when I go back upstairs to work, it will actually keep warm for like probably the whole entire afternoon, which I can't recommend this enough. I think I paid, I want to say $12.99, $13.99, something like that for this, and it was worth every single penny of it. And when you bring it back into the Dunkin' Donuts, you actually get a discount on like medium size refills, so that's a good thing. Getting ready to try this lemon cake. Very very, very moist, and just a really nice lemony taste. So I'm gonna pop off here for now. I will check back with you guys later. I think for dinner tonight, I'm just making some pork, center cut pork chops that I'll probably bake in the oven with some potatoes, or with a side of this angel hair pasta that has like a Parmesan herb flavor that I got at Aldi's, along with, I'm gonna put some broccoli as either a side or inside of the pasta side dish. So that's what's gonna be for dinner tonight. I'm gonna pop off, I'm gonna check out here. So that's gonna be it for me now. I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so we decided to try these My Pillow pillows that, I don't know if you've seen them, they've been on TV, like late night TV infomercial type stuff. And there was like kind of like a Black Friday special. I can't remember how much we ended up spending on them, but they were pretty expensive pillows to say the least. There's two different types. We got, there's two different types. One I think is a little bit harder than the other, but the first thing they tell you to do is they tell you to actually place the pillow in a dryer for 15 minutes before first use. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take the pillow that I think is mine, which I think is this one, and I'm going to undo it and show you guys what it looks like outside of the packaging. Okay, so I just took it out of the packaging, and you'll see, you know, kind of what it does is it basically kind of starts to fluff up. So I'm gonna put this in my dryer for 15 minutes, like it says, and let you know. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've let this go in the dryer for 15 minutes, and it seems so nice and fluffy. We're gonna sleep on it tonight, and I will keep you posted in a future vlog as to what my thoughts are about the My Pillow. Okay guys, can we talk for a minute about the size of, this is the BoxyLuxe that I picked up. I was on the wait list, and then they told me that I got in and I just had to pay like an extra, I think it was $28 to get my December box to be converted up to a BoxyLuxe. So it was basically 20 and then another 28 for all of the stuff that is in here. And I got a, there's like $300 worth of stuff in here. So I've already opened it up. I just want to show you guys really quickly all the stuff that I got. Okay, so the first thing I got was this bag, which I absolutely love. It's like glam AF. That's totally cool. And it is actually a phone charger, which I thought this was absolutely brilliant. And the thing is that I like about this, guys, you flip this end, it actually has a built-in iPhone adapter cable. So, and this basically has an open area for the USB output, the USB input, Android and iPhone, and then with the Type-C adapters. So it's, but I definitely think I need to get this inside of my black Kate Spade bag. What else do we have here? We're going to try to go through this quick. I got a huge set of these Luxie brushes, this complete set. I have gotten a few of the Luxie brushes in previous BoxyCharms, and so basically here are all the brushes that come with it. I don't know if you can see that or if it's too blinding. The next one is this. This is one of the most expensive items on the list, which in this box, which is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is like a $90 bottle of cream. So I am so looking forward to using this. Just amazing. We also have this Wander Beauty Wander Beauty Wanderlust Dust to Dawn. And I have to tell you guys, this looks very similar to the, I believe it's called the Happy Weekender that I got from one of my other boxes. I'm going to have to compare them. I really do want to compare them, but we basically have a, but then again, I'm thinking to myself, okay, any type of palette that has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter usually looks the same, right? You have a bronzer, which is in a bronzing color, a blush. This blush is actually a little bit more, I think it's a little bit of a darker maroonish tone than the other one, but maybe in a future vlog I'll do a comparison so you can see. And City Lights, which is a highlighter. So I'm not sure how the formulation is on this, but I thought that was a nice little palette. We also, I'm speeding it up a little bit, so we also have this Tarteist Shimmer Lip Paint. I'm actually going to open this up for you at the end and actually try it on because I'm so excited to show you guys this. This is, I think this is one of the things that I'm most excited about. And then this Loric is basically an eye. It's like a combination primer on one end and then a mascara on the other end. So that's nice. This I'm really excited for too because it smells amazing. This is the Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. So what it is it's, oh, it smells so good, guys. I'm like, okay. So I'm like literally sniffing this and it just smells amazing. And it's basically like a really heavy duty scrubber sponge. So looking forward to using that. And then I think the special item I got for some, I can't remember why or if it was offered, but I picked the Ceramic Mini Style Straightener. This is also an $80 product. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this because I do have a straightener that's this size. So I might end up actually like selling this in my Poshmark or selling it on eBay or something like that. But I am gonna compare it to my other ceramic straightener. So here it is. This is how small it is. It's literally like the size of my hand. And I do have pretty big hands, but it's literally the size of my hand. And I picked the fluorescent green one. The last is the big palette, which is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow, the HG. Wait till you see these shadows. Look at those shadows. I'm not going to show you. There's a mirror up here. I just look at the colors. Like these are totally colors that I use, and a lot of them have like shimmer to it and sparkle to it, and you know, nice little highlight for corners and all these like blendable crease colors. I'm just so excited to be using this palette. So that is everything I got in this month's BoxyLuxe. I wanted to try this on for you. Come in the bathroom with me while I try this on. So for this Tarteist, it's called a Shimmering Lip Paint. And the color is Flaming Hot. And I'm going to try to see if I can get it to focus in on it. And it has like this shimmer to it. Hang on a second, I'm gonna see if I can look at it in this one. So this is actually more like a, it's like it said lip paint. This is more like a lip gloss, if that's what it means. This is definitely gonna be a nice topper for me for a lot of the darker shades because it really doesn't go on with that much pigment. Just like this would be great like if I'm just running out and I just want like a little bit of color on my lips and have a little bit of like sparkle to it. But I also think this would be great for topping off like mattes or, you know, putting like a little sparkle edge to like just a plain lipstick. So I am really excited to pop this like right inside my purse and just kind of have it be my new go-to. So basically the way BoxyLuxe works is that you have to be a subscriber already to BoxyCharm, which is like $20 a month. And they offer it 4 times a year. I believe the next one's in March, and you pay the extra $28 to upgrade that month to upgrade to the BoxyLuxe. So if you're interested in getting into the BoxyCharm, which personally I switched from Ipsy to BoxyCharm. It is well worth the $20 a month for all the products that you get. I will leave my link in the description box below. Full disclosure, what it does for me is it gives me extra charms to spend, which is money to spend in their BoxyCharm. It also puts in charms into your account automatically at the start. And so yeah, so if you're interested in BoxyLux, you can consider using my link. Anyways, that is going to be it for my vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me today. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm going to chat with you tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye, guys.